Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. Now we reach the last point of our lesson number 16 as well as the last point of whole syllabus, and that is about plastics boon or curse. We need to decide now that whether using plastic is good or bad. So let's read and understand. Some kind of plastic can be recycled, but not all of them. Did you notice the polythene bags and some plastic did not rot in activity 1? See, some plastic are good, but some plastics are not good to be used. Why? Because like polythene bag cannot be degraded, they cannot be rot. All the things can be rot. એ સડી જાય અને પછી કમ્પોસ્ટમાં ફેરવાઈ જાય કે એ પાવડર ફોર્મમાં ફેરવાઈ જાય. બટ પ્લાસ્ટિક lives for the millions of the years. It cannot be degraded, it cannot be decomposed, and it also creates some harmful bacteria. So it is not used to use polythene bags. It is not like advisable to use polythene bag. You might now easily understand why the polythene bags create a big problem in a garbage disposal. જ્યારે આપણે ગાર્બેજને ડિસ્પોઝ કરીએ ત્યારે એ કેટલી મોટી પ્રોબ્લેમ ક્રિએટ કરી શકે. It may be little difficult to imagine our life without plastics. Shall we list a few things we use that are made of a plastic? But when we say that we should not use plastic, so nowadays it is very difficult for us to think about our life without plastic, because we use plastic in the all the day-to-day life activities. Let's list some items that is made from the plastic and we use daily in our daily lives, like toys, shoes, bags, pens, combs, toothbrush, buckets, bottles and water pipes. The list is very long. Can you name a few parts of a bus, car, radio, television, refrigerator and a scooter that are made of a plastic? See, almost at every place or everywhere you are using plastic at one or another way. So it is very difficult for us to think our lives without plastic. The use of a plastic in itself might not create so much of problem. Problem arises when we use a plastic excessively and ignorant about the ways of disposing their waste. Actually, using plastic is not problem. No, you can use plastic, but you have to think about how to dispose that plastic and how to use it wisely. You should not use it as much as you can. You can also find some other options, like when you go to the bazaar, you don't need to buy plastic bags all the time. You can take your clothes bag and you can pour. Even now the strong paper bags are also available and you can use it. This is what is happening all around us. We might even be acting responsibly, knowing well about the harmful effect. See, this is going around right now, and we should take some steps to think about it, and we can use the plastic wisely. We often use plastic bags to store cooked food items. Sometimes these bags may not suitable for keeping eatables. Do you think that we are just keeping almost all the eatables into the plastic dabbas? But do you know that is it harmful or not harmful? Like I told you, using plastic is harmful because it always create or it always leaves the bacteria which is not disposable. Consuming food packed in such a plastic bags could be harmful to our health. Many a time shopkeepers use plastic bags that have been used earlier for some other purpose. Sometimes the bags collected by rag pickers are also used after washing them. Do you know that the plastic bags that is given by the shopkeeper is used earlier and sometimes it is given to you? પહેલા જ વાપરેલો પ્લાસ્ટિક બેગ છે એ તમને પાછું રિસાયકલમાં આપી દે. સમટાઈમ્સ ઇટ મે હેપન જે રેગ પિકર્સ જે કચરો ઉઠાવનાર છે એ પ્લાસ્ટિકની બેગ્સ લે, ઘરે ધોવે અને પછી તમને એને પાછું આપી દે. So it is very harmful. Use of such a recycled plastic bag to keep food items could be harmful or fully harmful for our health. For storing eatables, we must insist on a use of plastic. bags that are approved for such a use. Still, if you need to use a plastic, you need to use a plastic that is approved. Yes, there are some plastic which is already processed and which is bacteria free. They are costly, but you can use them. All kind of plastic bags gives out a harmful gases upon heating or burning. This gas may cause many health problems including cancer. Do you know this, that burning of a plastic create many diseases, because it leaves the carbon monoxide, and which is very harmful to your health. Even you can get the fatal disease called cancer. In humans, the government has also laid down guideline for the recycling of plastic. Even so many times government also has laid down that how you can use the plastic wisely. Even I am to advising you that you should use plastic in a very less manner. Just use only when it is mostly required. You must have noticed that the people often fill garbage in the plastic bags and then throw it away. When the stray animals look for a food in these bags, they end up swallowing this. Sometimes they die due to this. Many a times, and especially with the cows, we just threw out some pills of vegetables, and that is by wrapping into the plastic bags. It is used to eaten up by the stray dogs and animals, and we used to see that they may die. the animals છે પોતાનો જીવ પણ ગુમાવતા હોય છે. The plastic bags thrown away carelessly on the road and other places get into the drain and sewers system. As a result, the drain get choked and the water spills on the road. Like throwing of a plastic anywhere, it just flew away by the wind, and it get choked into the drainage. And what happened, even it stuck to the some place, and the water cannot be passed from the plastic, and it is just thrown out from it is just leave from the upper part. ઘણી વખત એવું થાય છે કે ગટરમાં સલવાઈ જવાથી ગટરનું પાણી વ્યવસ્થિત રિલીઝ થતું નથી, ડ્રેનેજનું પાણી વ્યવસ્થિત રિલીઝ થતું નથી, and it is just spread over, ઉપરથી સ્પ્રેડ થતું હોય છે. During heavy rain, it might even create a flood like a situation. એમાં બી જો monsoon season હોય, then it creates a very big problem. There is a lot of harm that too much use of plastic can do. You all know that too much use of plastic can create a very much problem. What can we do to minimize our use of plastic and deal with the garbage? So what steps we can take? Let's read and understand. We make a minimum use of plastic bags. We use the bags whenever it is possible to do without any adverse effect. See, we can find the other option. We can use the clothes bag, the strong paper bag, but we can skip the use of plastic. We insist shopkeeper use a paper bags. We carry a clothes or a jute bags when we go out for shopping, as I told you. We do not use a plastic bag to store eatables. જમવાની વસ્તુ તો પ્લાસ્ટિકમાં રાખવાની જ નહીં. We do not throw the plastic bags here and there after use. This is the most thing. Don't throw the wrappers. That is we just eat up the wafers, and we just throw the wafer wrappers like here and there. We should not do that. We never burn a plastic bags and other plastic items. We do not put a garbage into the plastic bag and throw it away. Do not do this. Use a vermicompost at the home and deal with our kitchen waste usefully. Like as I told you in point 16.2, you can use the pills, and you can also make the vermicompost. We use both the side of the paper, right? We use the slat for a rough work. We use a blank sheet of a paper left in our notebook for a rough work. Rough work માટે નોટબુકના પેજીસને યુઝ કરી શકો. Don't you ever throw the book as you are not as it is not useful to you. You can use a blank page as a rough book. Even you can use a slat party જેમાં you can perform a rough work. We make our family, friends and others follow proper practice and disposing of different kinds of waste. The most important point to know and to think about that, more garbage we generate, more difficult it would be to get rid of it. ખાલી સમજવાની વસ્તુ એ છે ને સમજાવવાની પણ વસ્તુ છે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, ફેમિલી, રિલેટિવ્સને, કે જેટલું આપણે વધારે ગાર્બેજ ક્રિએટ કરશું એટલું આપણા માટે ડિફિકલ્ટ થઈ જશે એનાથી છુટકારો મેળવવું. સો હિયર the 16.5, the whole chapter and the whole syllabus is over.